All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel for yet again another update on Hbar. Shout out to you guys, of course, for tuning in on a day-to-day basis. But yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. We got a lot to discuss here. Really understand what's really happening with Hbar's price right now, and what's really causing a huge bloodbath right now. So Tuesday, as far as Tuesday is concerned, now we are going into Wednesday morning. Tuesday was actually a bearish day for the market. A lot of coins are actually down about 10%. And what's really causing this? That's what we're going to be analyzing. We're going to be taking a look at Hbar's price, of course. This is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis, because we can kind of take a look at it from a specific angle and kind of differentiate and compare it to the previous day's performance. But yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you're looking across the board, like I said earlier, a lot of red today. Obviously, going into Wednesday morning, you are still seeing a retracement across the board. Hbar down 9.2% right now. And, looking at the price, 28.6 cents, and also down 4.3% in Bitcoin comparative. Now, if you're looking at the market valuation, almost at $11 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $1.1 billion. Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So I want you guys to start off by taking a look at the Bitcoin Dominance Index. What has changed for the Bitcoin dominance over the last few hours? If you're looking at the Bitcoin Dominance Index, here we are looking at it on the daily time frame. You are looking at the dominance, picking up once again, gaining a lot of strength within itself. And, we could actually make our way back above that 58.6%. You guys know I don't want to see the dominance above that range. If it's able to do that, we could actually make our way back up to the December 20th high that we saw, which could actually cause altcoin lag. But in my personal opinion, I still think that, this is just whale manipulation, people locking in profits, as well as, of course, whales, manipulating, the markets, because, at the end of the day, manipulation happens in this market day in, day out. There's market makers, of course. And, we have seen, of course, the reason why such a major sharp increase for the dominance is due to the fact that you have seen Bitcoin go back below $100,000. I want you guys to take a look at it from the hourly time frame. You can see this for yourself. Bitcoin was hovering around the $102,760, just this morning, and we're making our way back down to the likes of $96,369. Quite a sharp drop today for Bitcoin, and of course, dominance has gone up while Bitcoin went down, which of course is going to have a negative impact on altcoins. Me specifically, again, I don't talk for others. This is just my personal way of thinking. I like dollar cost averaging, and I understand the risk factors associated with crypto. I understand, the importance of due diligence. This is why I, talk about the importance of doing your due diligence and research every single day. Every single update that I've made, I've said that. And, I like, when the prices go down, because it gives me, more opportunity to be accumulating coins that I have my eyes on. So in this case, there are some coins, of course, that I will be looking out for. But right now, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, first and foremost, I want you guys to kind of focus on what's happening with BTC right now. So as far as Bitcoin is concerned, if, let's take a look at Bitcoin on a daily, hourly time frame. So, if we lose the support where we currently are, a potential of us falling down to that $93,000, almost $94,000 key support is still on the table. And if you want to put that into perspective, that could be a potential move of about 2.7%. So of course, this can have a negative impact on altcoin market, which includes Hbar. But I want you guys to take a look at Hbar's price on the hourly time frame, because it tells you everything you need to know. So at this point, if you follow the channel day in, day out, you guys know how much I like the way Hbar is holding. Especially, within this 0.50, most importantly, above the support of that 27.1 cents. We have, of course, seen several different times retest at that key support or even below it, but, the price of Hbar quickly bounces back above that key resistance. In this case, you're looking at the price once again finding its way down below the 0.50 fib zone, which, of course, is not what a lot of people people are going to be happy about. People want to see that 38.2 retest, but you cannot ignore. And this is why. Now, the people that don't like me talking about Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis, every single update that I make, I still try to teach you guys the importance of Bitcoin. You don't want to be ignoring what Bitcoin's doing. And now Bitcoin went down is the reason why you're looking at the price of Hbar also seeing a very healthy correction. I don't know what's going on. I thought I'm logged in. I think I'm logged into my different account here. So that's why we're keep getting that notification. I will fix that for you guys in the next update. But anyhow, you're looking at obviously us sitting below, the 0.50 fib zone. So what's the next target if we lose this support? Of course, if we end up losing the support, the major key support line, which has, played out for us several different times, could still be on the table. So it all depends on Bitcoin. Even if the price of Hbar were to fall down to that, key support line or even below and, try to test some of these wicks, that's still, okay. The upward targets still don't change, in my opinion. You need to understand what's happening with BTC right now. I think it's completely will manipulation at its finest, because you, of course, think about it from, a retail investors' perspective. Everyone is focused on that Donald Trump 20th of this month. He's going to be going into the office, and, people are very excited about that. And usually people would think that is the day where you do see the sell the news event taking place. But, some whales could, come out and shake out the markets just a week before that even, or 2 weeks before that even. These are some factors we need to keep in mind. Bitcoin has seen these swings. It's nothing new, but we're going to take it one step at a time. Pay very, very close attention to Bitcoin right now. This will be a deciding factor for us. This is getting really annoying. I don't know what's going on here. We'll fix that for you guys. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.